Hello girls, today I'm gonna showing you my makeup routine, which is a natural look. So I'm gonna start with moisturizing my skin. That's a must. And then foundation. The color is darker than my skin, but the texture is really smooth. It's really blended well on my skin. I love it. I'm gonna continue with shadows. This is my natural favorite colors. And then mascara, add it on my lashes. I'm using the second mascara from Estee Lauder. And this one, eyebrow pencil, I got it from Indonesia. It's really matte, stick on your eyebrow the whole day. The brand is Viva Queen. And for the concealer, I'm using Bionique for sensitive skin, and it's nickel free. Now I'm just tapping some powder. Make sure everything covered. Now I'm gonna edit some blush. The color is so soft. Now for the lip liner. I choose the brown color. It's just so natural. Now I'm gonna using a lipstick from Estee Lauder. It's really soft color. So basically I'm done. What do you guys think? Let me know on the comment section. Hairdo time! I like to curl my hair a little bit on the edges. So this is it, my everyday makeup. I hope you guys like it. I'll see you next time. Ciao!